Describe a car journey that you remember well. One car journey that I remember well is the trip to Semarang from Jakarta with my family. It was a memorable experience filled with excitement and bonding moments. We set off early in the morning, and the anticipation of the journey ahead filled the air. The road to Semarang was long, but we were all in high spirits, looking forward to spending quality time together and exploring a new city. During the drive, we played games and sang songs to pass the time. We also brought some snacks and drinks to enjoy along the way. The scenery outside the car window was breathtaking, with lush green fields, scenic mountains, and glimpses of rural life. As we crossed into different regions, we made a few stops to stretch our legs and take pictures. These breaks provided an opportunity to appreciate the beauty of Indonesia's diverse landscapes and cultures. One particular highlight of the journey was when we stopped at a roadside stall to try some local delicacies. We sampled various traditional snacks and enjoyed chatting with the friendly locals, who shared stories about their hometown. As we finally arrived in Semarang, the sense of adventure and exploration grew even stronger. We checked into a cozy hotel and spent the evening strolling through the bustling streets, trying delicious local cuisine, and visiting famous landmarks. The car journey not only allowed us to reach our destination but also brought our family closer together. We laughed, shared stories, and made wonderful memories that we still cherish to this day. Overall, the car journey to Semarang from Jakarta was an unforgettable experience filled with joy, adventure, and bonding with my family. It reminded us of the beauty and diversity of our country and the importance of spending quality time with loved ones during such trips. One. What benefits does public transport bring to the world? It helps reduce traffic congestion, which leads to less air pollution and a smaller carbon footprint. It is a more cost-effective and energy-efficient mode of transportation compared to private vehicles, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Public transport also enhances accessibility, improves mobility for people without cars, and fosters social inclusion. 2. Is it too late for people to get their driver's license at the age of 18? No, it is not too late for people to get their driver's license at the age of 18. Many individuals obtain their driver's license at this age, and it is a common practice in various countries. The age of 18 is considered an appropriate and legal age for driving in many places, and individuals can still become responsible and safe drivers with proper training and experience. 3. What qualities does a driver need to have? They need to be attentive and focused while driving, follow traffic rules and regulations, and have excellent judgment and decision-making skills. Patience and tolerance are crucial for handling traffic and challenging situations. Responsible drivers prioritize safety, respect other road users, and maintain their vehicles in good condition. 4. Do you think the government should make it a rule for people to use public transport? Absolutely. It may help reduce traffic congestion and environmental impact, it might not be feasible or practical in all areas. Governments can encourage public transport usage through incentives, improving public transport infrastructure, and promoting its benefits. 5. Which jobs require people to be good at driving? Several jobs require individuals to be skilled drivers. Taxi or rideshare drivers, delivery drivers, truck drivers, and bus drivers all need good driving abilities to perform their roles effectively. Emergency service personnel, such as ambulance drivers and firefighters, also require excellent driving skills to respond quickly to emergencies. 6. Do you see driverless cars as the future of cars? Yes, they have the potential to revolutionize transportation. They offer the prospect of increased safety, reduced traffic accidents, and enhanced mobility for people who cannot drive. However, several challenges, including technology development, regulation, and public acceptance, need to be addressed before fully autonomous vehicles become widespread on the roads.